freelightroom.com. Easy to follow, easy to learn, designed to inspire.
Hello and welcome. My name is Matthew Sean. In this video, we're going to talk about collections and how collections work in Lightroom. Now that we've added our photos to Lightroom in the library module, we want to organize our photos, and we want to organize our photos in what you call a collection. So a collection is essentially a grouping of photos that you've organized together. Now, there are different kinds of collections. There's a standard collection itself, there's a smart collection, and there's also a collection set. Now, in Lightroom, I want to clarify one thing. Sometimes people have they make a mistake and they confuse the difference between a catalog and a collection. A catalog is like a book. A catalog has a number of collections in it. So essentially, a collection is like a chapter in a book. It's one smaller piece of a larger picture. So with our images here, let's say I want to make a collection of nighttime photos. So what I'm going to do first is select the nighttime photos that I've got. And I've got 3 of them here. And then what I'm going to do is hit the plus symbol on my collections tab here and go create collection. Now I'm going to name the collection, let's say night photos. And the photos I have selected already, there's a little tab here I can click on. If I click this tab that says include selected photos, now the photos that are currently selected will be put into that collection. And we notice here I hit night photos and I only see the 3 photos that I have selected for that. Now let's just say I want to go back to our all photographs here, and I want to do, let's do flowers, let's say. So I'm going to select my flowers again. Let's go flowers and leaves, let's say, or shrubbery, greenery. And what I do now is I've selected my 4 photos. I hit collections, I hit create a collection. I say flowers. And I click include selected photos, and now the photos I selected are created inside a collection. Now, if you notice here, there's something called a collection set sample. This is essentially a container for more than one collection. So what I can do to show you how that works is I can select the 2 collections I just created, being flowers and night photos, and I can drag them and drop them in collection set sample. Now we have a drop down with 2 different collections in it. Now, you notice here, we only have 7 photos of the 14 we originally took. Now you're wondering, maybe you're wondering, how do we get those photos back? Well, what you can do is on the left-hand side in catalog, all the photos that you've essentially imported into Lightroom are logged there. So I can click all photographs and I see every single photo that I have imported. So let's just say I want to put all of these photos into a general collection. I can just go Command A or Control A on a PC, go plus or create new collection, and just go general. And all we're doing is sorting our photos to be more manageable when you have many photos to work with. When we have 14 photos, it's quite easy to play with them and process through. But when you have hundreds, let's say thousands of photos, you want to make sure you have a great organizational system to be efficient so you're not wasting time and you're able to find the photos quite quickly. So that's the basics of collections and how they work. Thanks again for watching. My name is Matthew Sean from freelightroom.com.